Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm David, and today we're going to try and make a crate out of this Pallet scrap wood. So hopefully I can get it out of here. If not, I'll find some other scrap boards to use. So it's just going to be a mix mash of scrap wood and make this crate, wooden crate. Alright, let's get started. Alright, so what I want to do here is I just want to rough cut these pieces first to manageable lengths, and I'll work it from there. Alright, so let me just cut a bunch of these up. Alright, so next I'm going to plane the edges of this. Got my Wen planer. This is the 4 3/8 model number 6534. I have an unboxing of this video. I can leave a link to that in the description. So I'm gonna plane these edges. I have the screw clamp as my vise and then F clamp holding it down. Alright, so I got my downdraft dust table. Hopefully I can get most of that sucked over since I don't have the adapters to connect there. Alright, mask up. Alright, so now I gotta use the table saw and square off the edges here, the planer side against the fence. It should give me a really good straight piece. Probably not perfect, but it's gonna be a wooden salvage crate, so it should be okay. And these are right now just for the long side. I'll have to figure out the handle parts. Might have to glue up some pieces to make that a solid piece. So let's rip these out. Alright, so now I'm going to cut them down to 2 3/4 inch strips. 2 3/4. Alright. Okey-dokes. Now I need to cut a bunch of them at 16 inches long. I'm going to square these edges again and then do the 16s. And actually, let's see if I can put a stop block on here. 16. So I marked 16 on here. So let me just get this piece block. And now we're gonna clamp that on here. Alright, let's remeasure. 16 on that tooth. Yep, alright, I'm good. Alright, so I got more pieces cut, just rough lengths, and they're not so perfect, but it doesn't matter. This is gonna be like a rustic crate anyways. So I had some packing tape for my cauls to keep them somewhat lined up. So I'm just gonna use some Tybon 2 I'm gonna clamp them all together, and then I will once it all dries, then I can cut it to its final width and the length. All right, go ahead. Just want to say thank you to everyone for the support. If you haven't already, hit that like button, click subscribe. Okay, last one. Definitely need more clamps. Need more clamps. Alright. Well, I got one side. See how good that is, I hope. Oh, just gotta let that dry, and then I gotta do the other side. So, we'll be right back with this all unclamped and done, right? So, I guess the video didn't record. So I did this on wood glue with some medium Starbond CA glue, and I stuck together the second panel, and that one's just all wood glue. So we're gonna let that dry, and we'll be right back. Alrighty, let's unclamp this. This is all dry now. So let me get this done real quick. Then I got some sanding to do. So I'm gonna do everything prepped, get ready to put it together. Alright, so we'll be right back. Okie dokies. So I sanded everything down. I still gotta cut these sides, but I just want to glue one piece on here. So this is the bottom. This will be a side. I'm gonna put some wood glue. I'm gonna clamp it together. Do this side also. All this will be just like that. So let me get the wood glue on, and then use some 1-inch brad nails, I believe. So we'll get these two sides on, then we'll fit in the handle side. Just want to get that pretty measured up and cut. Yep, and we'll start putting it all together. Get some clamps over here. Alright, so a little difficulties here. Let's see if we can put this to a 90 degree. It doesn't have to be perfect. It's just a rustic old crate. Let's get this in there. Alright, get the other corner. Alright. Alright, got that on. Wipe some of this off. Okay, it's gonna be about right here. Cut the top off. Do it just like this. Okay, 12. I'm gonna cut that off. Then I'll put a handle, cut out a handle, and we'll be good to go. Alright, so I'm gonna put up the handle here. So we're gonna do 1.5 inches. 6, and then it's going to be 4 inches long. In this little cap here to round the corners. Alright, here. So let me cut this out with the jigsaw. Alright, got the jigsaw. Alright, we'll get the other one done and we'll be right back. Alright, so I'm going to use this fine cut saw boarding rasp. Use that here. Alright, I'm going to finish shaping this up a little bit more, and then we'll start putting this all together. Alright, let's start putting this together. So I'm going to put these sides on. Let's glue the bottom here. Right. See, I'm gonna get this little mark here on there. Glue this corner here, then brad nail it in. Do the same on the other side, and then start spacing out the rest of it. Get it squared up a little bit. Alright, let's get this other side. Alright. It's not gonna be perfect, but it's gonna work good. Just nail some of this in. Alright, so let's flip this over and start getting all these slats on there. Alright, so this little cut off piece is going to be like my spacer. Just to space them, try to space them out evenly. Just gotta glue these two. Alright. Perfect. Alright, the bottom is done. We're putting the sides on. I'm just gonna go ahead and finish the other side and we'll be right back. Alright, so it's all put together now. Now you can leave it like this, bare wood. You can finish it however you like. Add paint, stain. So I'm just gonna do a quick sanding and then I'm gonna put up some paint that I have here left over and that'll be it. And then I can start putting stuff in it, store it away. So yeah, let's get that done. We'll be right back when it's all done and painted. Alright, so the crate is all filled up and stored away. I need to get out some Danish oil. So this is a great project to use up scrap woods, and I used it to store my paint stains and oils. Nice and organized here. So thanks for watching, and I'll catch you later.